Today I have something special for you. I'm making nachos out of flank steak, which is carne asada, one of the best meats in town. That's what you make tacos with.
Nacho Supreme with flank steak, which is carne asada, the same meat we use for the taquitos, tú sabes. Wok, sour cream, everything on it. And the drink of the day, Jamaiquita. Homemade, fresh. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's do this.
So I started grating some Kobe Jackaruppy, and I also did some Jackaruppy. And then I mixed her up. After I did that, I started getting the carne asada ready. Look at those pieces of meat. Oh my God. Beautiful. If you're gonna make Nachos Supreme, you gotta use the real stuff. Carne asada. Look at that. You make tacos, burritos, nachos, you name it. Then you start chopping it up in little baby pieces, just like this. Watch your fingers. Look at that. I know how to cut. Tú sabes. Now it's time to make homemade nacho cheese. Some pico de gallo. I can't believe it's not butter. Some flour. Mix her up. Once you mix her up, you put a cup of milk. Tú sabes. Mix her up again. Put paprika. Now it's time to add the cheese. It depends on you how thick you want it. Add more, add less. And don't forget, jalapenos. Tú sabes. Add that little juice in there. Gives it a little kicker-uppy. Makes you sweat. And just like that, you made nacho cheese. Alright, it's time to assemble this masterpiece. Put some chipper-uppies, put some regular cheese on top of the chips, and then carne asada, flank steaker-uppy. And now after that, you put some more chips. Hello, more chips. Thank you. More chips and more. And more. There you go. And then you put some more carne asada, more meat. Hello, wake up. Thank you. And then after the meat comes the big boy, the king of kings, cheeserapi. Look at that. OMG. Homemade nacho cheese. You know you want to eat it. Come on. Oh my God. It's so good. And it tastes so good from experience. You want to be Mr. Popular? Then make these nachos. Everybody will invite you to every party. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, look at that. Tú sabes. This Mexican loves nacho cheese. I can't believe it's nacho cheese. After the cheese are up, we got a couple of scooper ups of wok. Scoop number 1, scoop number 2. And then don't forget sour cream, squirter uppy. There you go. Don't forget to add that pico de gallo. Spread it around. Spread the love. Mira nomás. Qué bonito se ve eso. Tú sabes. And the rest is history, my friends. Well, there you have it. I'm done. Just look at this, baby. Look at this. Drink of the day. Fresh wok, sour cream, flank steak, carne asada, Oh my God, it makes a difference. The nacho chips are from Mex. Those are the originals. Get those. Homemade cheese. It takes a few minutes more, but it's well worth it. It makes you sweat a little bit. The jalapeno juice that you put in there. Oh my God. So good. I can't wait to eat them. I'm not going to eat the whole thing, okay? I'm going to share with my family. Tú sabes. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hit all the buttons. Thank you for your support. We're doing great. Almost 1,000 subscribers. Thank you. I'm just living life one day at a time. Life is too short. Life is too short to be negative. Remove yourself from negative people. Believe me, once you remove yourself from those people, a lot of opportunities start opening up. Negative people block you from your opportunities. So once you get rid of them, just things start happening. Money comes in, opportunity, a new job. Just keep track of who you hang out with. Keep enjoying life. Don't forget to join my Tú Sabes community on Facebook. The link is on the description below. Now it's time to wash the dishes.